name is Alma, and these are
Lena.
and today we are going to talk about the bacteria, the plant cell, and the animal cell. I'm going to talk about the animal cell, and the cells are the smallest unit of living beings. To study them, we need a microscope. The animal cell is eukaryotic, which means that the DNA is inside the nucleus. Cells can have different shapes depending on what job they do within the cell's body. A nerve cell looks different from a fat cell, and they both look different from a muscle cell. Animal cells are heterotroph. That means that they obtain energy by intake and digestion of organic matter. Like plant cells, animal cells have lots of parts, including the nucleus, or named as boss, that contains the DNA and controls the cell's activities. The ribosomes, known as the nucleus, that makes proteins. The centrioles, or the twins, that knit the mitotic cord during cell division only in animal cells. The raw ER, known as the tanker truck, that makes and transports proteins. The smooth ER, also known as the tanker truck, that makes and transports lipids. The mitochondria, known as the powerhouse, it gets energy from the nutrients. The lysosomes, known as the cleanup crews, only found in animal cells. They break down the nutrients into particles that the cell can use. The cytoplasm, known as the molecular soup, is a jelly-like substance that supports the cell's organelles and helps in chemical reactions. The Golgi complex, known as the pile of pancakes, that packages and transports substances. The vacuoles, known as the swimming pool, that store water and other substances. And last but not least, the cell membrane, known as the door, that protects and controls the entry and exit of substances. Now I'm going to tell you some interesting facts. Like, did you know that the cell was self-destructive? That doesn't mean that you just press the button and it self-destructs. If it has a defect in the DNA or is injured, it self-destructs to not impact other cells. The cell is made up of 70% water, leaving the other components that are based on carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. This has been my animal cell project. Now it's Lena's turn.
Hello everyone. Today in my part of my class project I'm going to talk about the plant cell. This is a plant cell because it has got cell wall, chloroplast, and a large back wall. And it hasn't got lysosomes or centrioles. It's an eukaryotic cell because it has got the DNA inside the nucleus. It's autotroph because it produces its own food. If it was an heterotroph cell, it feeds on other living things. Now I'm going to explain its organelles. First, the nucleus. Nucleus contains the DNA inside and controls the cell activities. Ribosomes. The ribosomes make proteins. The raw endoplasmic reticulum, or RER, make and transport proteins. A smooth endoplasmic reticulum, or SER, make and transport lipids. Mitochondria get energy from nutrients breaking down glucose. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance that supports the cell organelles and helps in chemical reactions. Cell membrane. The cell membrane gives support to the cell and controls the entry and the exit of substances. The Golgi body. The Golgi body packages and transports substances. The back wall. The back wall stores water and other substances. In plant cells, the back wall is larger than in animal cells. The cell wall. The cell wall protects the cell membrane only in plant cells, like this, the chloroplast. And for finish, chloroplast. The chloroplast take energy from the sun to do the photosynthesis, only in plant cells. The plant cell, like the other cells, can't be seen without a microscope. Thanks for listening to me. Now is Candela's turn.
Hi, I'm going to talk about the bacteria. Bacteria is a type biological cell. Is prokaryotic because the DNA is spread throughout inside the nucleus. O sea, spread throughout the cytoplasm. Is autotroph and heterotroph. That means that is both. Bacteria have a number of shapes, starting from spheres to rods and spirals. Bacteria inhabit soil and water between others. The parts of the bacteria are the DNA that is spread throughout the cytoplasm, ribosomes that make proteins, PD that is a thin briefed fiber that grows from
I forgot to say that this cell is for eating, and then when we finish, we can eat them.
The cytoplasm, that is a jelly-like substance that supports organelles and helping chemical reactions, and the plasmids that are a molecular DNA. And for finish, I'm going to talk about the layers of bacteria. The cell membrane, that is the inner layer, the cell wall, that is the middle layer, and the capsule, that is the outer layer. Thank you for listening to me and for listening to us, and see you